Hello everyone, welcome to Lane Guitar. Myself Varun. In this video, I will teach you how to play the starting beat portion for the song Zara Zara in Hindi, and in Tamil this is Vassegara. So the starting beat portion I will teach you in this video, and the Pallavi and Anupallavi part I will do in another video. So hope you can learn from this video. So the beat will start from the second string, this note, which is B. So second string, 12th fret, B. So this is the first part. So in B, that is 12th fret in the second string, you need to strike 4 times. Then you need to play the note C, which is very next to, right, that is 13th fret in the second string. And next is the note is A, G, F sharp, which is in the second string itself. Position is 10th, 8th and 7th. So this is it. Next is so that note is F sharp G A, F sharp G A, F sharp G E. Only thing is you need to play the note E in the third string. Rest of the notes are in the second string itself. And next is E, G, 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 G. E is in the third string in the 9th position, and G is in the second string. Position is 8th fret. 5 times. Next 4 times you need to play A. La 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 ta ra ra ra. See. Da ra 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 ra. So you need to play 5 times this note, which is G, then 4 times this note, which is A, three times this note B, the second string, 12th position. Then you need to play the note D in the first string. So D, E, F sharp. So next is that is E, D, C, B. E, D, C, B. So E and D I played in the first string, that is 12th and 10th position, and this C and B I played in the second string, 13th and 12th position. And next is so the note is C, B, A, B, C, C, B, A, B, C. The second string position you know, that is 13th, 12th and 10th, then 13th and 12th and 13th. Okay. And next is up to this we saw. Next is that is second string A, G, F sharp. That's it. Then we will play the Pallavi part like. So I will play the beat once again. So I hope you can learn the bit from my tutorial video. So happy learning. Thank you.